sideways on the hillside. Coffee's gone cold, but I don't mind. I take a look, take another look. Funny how the ground's got a stubborn side. Mark the place, shuffle my feet. Every problem's got a center somewhere. I don't rush in, I let it breathe. Some things disappear when you treat them fair. They ask me how long it's gonna take. I say depends what it's willing to do. Some things come easy with a little persuasion, others need a moment or two. We got this round and round till the trouble slowly settles down. Out of sight, underfoot, like it never stood where it used to. We got this clean and flat, hard to remember it was ever like that. If you didn't know where to look before, you won't find a trace anymore. Pretend they're stretching, hands on the hips, looking real casual. Funny how curiosity travels when something's changing but staying gradual. Some hold on longer than expected, like they've earned their place in the scene. That's alright, I've learned a trick. Patience works better than being mean. Angle matters more than effort. Too much push leaves a mark. Ease into it, let it decide. Most things loosen up in the dark. We got this inch by inch, no sudden moves, no awkward flinch. Leave it smooth, leave it right, nothing to trip on late at night. We got this quiet pride, best fixes don't advertise. By the time you think to ask what changed, it already rearranged. Someone says, wow, it's really gone. Someone else says, did you plan it that way? I just laugh like I always do. Some things feel better when there's nothing to say. Yeah, easy now, let it settle, let it down. Yeah, look around, funny what's missing when it's not around. We got this, start to end, nothing left you'd recommend. No rough spots, no reminders, just to smooth the path behind us. We got this, calm and done, sun dropping low, another one. If later someone asks where it went, you'll shrug and say, guess it wasn't meant.